use a style. When you've downloaded, excuse me, when you've downloaded this file, it's a zip file, and so you can just double click to unzip it. You'll end up with a swimmingpool.asl file, which is a Photoshop style, and also you'll have a picture to show you what the style is. We need to load this into Photoshop in order to use it. So here's how we do it. Here's Photoshop, and make sure that your styles window is check marked, and you'll see it over here in your panels. Right there, there's a little drop down menu, and you can say, I'd like to load a style, and it'll say, all right, where is your style? Well, it's sitting here in on my desktop, and it's a swimmingpool1.asl. So you double click on it, and then you'll notice that you have a new style loaded over here. So we will do a new file. 1600 by 1200 would be fine. I am going to create a new layer. Whoops, I'm in the Paths menu. Let's go into the Layers menu. So there's my background layer. Here's a brand new layer, and I can get my paintbrush and paint. And then if I come over to my styles, I have my layer selected. I come over to my styles and click on it. That style is applied to it. And if I were to get my paintbrush and choose a different brush, anything that's on that layer will have that swimming pool style to it. I'm going to get rid of that layer for a minute, and let's grab my text tool. Take just a second to load up here. As long as Photoshop doesn't freeze up. And so I'll type something, and let me resize it so it's big enough to see. And then if I click on that to apply that style to it, there's my swimming pool style. And you'll notice that whatever's on that layer receives that particular style. Anyway, you can see all the different layer effects that I've used. I've done a bevel and emboss, so that gives you this kind of outside edge. I've done an inner shadow, which kind of darkens inside the letters a little bit. And then there's the pattern overlay, where I can change the scale. Hope that helps.